In this quick application guide, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to perform cold plate bonding using Resimac's 101 metal repair paste. This versatile, high-strength epoxy paste is ideal for reinforcing damaged metallic surfaces. It offers a reliable and effective alternative to welding and other hot work methods, making it suitable for both emergency repairs and planned maintenance. By reducing downtime, improving safety, and lowering labour costs, it helps keep operations running smoothly. To achieve a strong bond, proper surface preparation is essential. Use a mechanical hand tool such as a grinder or bristle blaster to abrade both the damaged area and the prepared steel plate to an ST3 standard. The product comes in pre-measured volumes for easy and precise mixing. If needed, smaller quantities can be mixed using a simple 3:1 ratio, 3 parts base to 1 part activator. Thoroughly mix the two components with a spatula until the mixture is streak-free and has a consistent, uniform texture. Using a clean spatula, apply a generous layer of the paste to the edges of the damaged area and the prepared bonding plate. The product's high build capability ensures a strong bond, even on horizontal surfaces, providing excellent adhesion and stability. Carefully align the bonding plate over the damaged area and press it firmly into place to create a complete bond. Use a Jubilee clip or a suitable alternative to securely fasten the two surfaces together, ensuring excess material extrudes evenly on all sides. Once the bonding plate is secured, remove any excess paste for a clean, professional finish. Once fully cured, any excess material can be machined back to a smooth finish using a hand tool such as a grinder or sanding device, ensuring a clean and precise result. If additional protection is required, the repair can be overcoated with Resimac's protective coatings to provide long-term resistance against corrosion, extending the lifespan of the repair in harsh environments. It is widely used for repairing corroded hulls, reinforcing damaged tank seams, and bonding steel plates in heavy machinery and marine vessels. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.